Get $100 by playing games and survey registration. With the simplest work, earn $100 daily all over the world from this site. Let's go to the video. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to today's video from the Cash Flow channel. Today we have an amazing website for you. The website we're discussing today allows you to participate in surveys, shop from certain stores and receive cash offers, and you can also play games and earn money. And as soon as you sign up, you get a $5 bonus. This section explains that brands pay us for consumer engagement. This website attracts members like us, and we perform online activities such as paid surveys, cashback shopping, test new programs, exploring new products and services, playing games, and more. This part relates to the details of the previous section, explaining all the ways you can earn money on this website. For example, the first section is about online surveys that take about 3 to 25 minutes to complete, and you can earn approximately $10 for each. The next part is games, which includes a wide variety of personalized games provided by this website. This section relates to shopping at the stores. This section is also about earning money by reading emails. The last part is about cash rewards and groceries, where you can earn cash by shopping for groceries at your favorite supermarket. It also says that millions of cash rewards have been paid out. I'll also write above my house that Superman lives here. This section is about Trustpilot, which shows that this website has a good and excellent rating on Trustpilot. This section is about the partners of this website that we know, and I recognize Walmart and Netflix from them. It also says that since 2000, this website has been giving cash rewards to members for doing regular activities like reading emails or playing games and more. To reach that $5 bonus faster and start earning money sooner, let's get straight to signing up on this website without any further ado. We come to the main website, check this box, and you can also sign up through Google and Apple. Let's go make money! Congratulations! You have reached the home page of this website, and after signing up, you will see this page. Here, you can do a few simple tasks and earn your money. The bottom section is about surveys, which only take 3 minutes and you can earn $50. What could be better than that? The next part is playing games and earning money from them. Through playing Monopoly, you can earn $400, and other games also have substantial earnings and you can play them too. The next section is about featured offer, which are considered top offers where you can earn amounts like $415, $57, and $291. Another section is my deals, which includes several deals with amounts like $230, $94, and $42. This section you're looking at includes stores where you can get a percentage of your money back by shopping. Wait for the site name. I will reveal it soon. The section above shows the details of your account and how much activity you've done since signing up. The side section shows how much money you have in your account, including the $5 bonus or signing up. The next section is the offers section. This part has sections like all offers, new offers, club favorites, making money, saving money, and so on. Now, besides these options, there is another option called 100% free offers, which we will be working with. After clicking, we come to this section where completely free offers are listed, such as one that gives you $42, and there are plenty of such offers. Be sure to like and comment. We exit this section and move to the next one, which is surveys, and we click to enter. This is the surveys section, where you can actually earn money by participating in surveys. Look at this offer that has nothing to do with surveys, but you can earn $50 from it. And this offer was in the special club offers section. Similarly, the next offer isn't related to surveys, but it's listed here. $50 only by survey. Let's go! After clicking on the $50 offer, we come to this section. It provides some explanations, such as you need to verify your account in the first step, which requires you to enter your phone number, and the code will be sent to you via SMS. After entering this code, you will be verified. My dear friends, don't forget that this website also has a game section and a shopping section, so you need to check them out as well. Are you ready to hear the name of this website? Let's go to the name of this website. The name of this website is Inbox Dollars, which we honestly recommended because it's been around for years and nobody has anything bad to say about it. Alright guys, we've reached the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you do so. If you liked the video and haven't hit the like button yet, please do, because it gives us energy and helps us create more videos for you. Finally, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Until the next video, may your pockets be full of money.